Welcome, guys. Okay, don't know if you guys hear me. Up. Yo, so what is the plan today? What can we do? We basically have the daily inactive and the daily high is here. Daily high. We have this level right here. Yeah, 65, yeah, I'd say. This I leave it out. That's kind of the plan for today, guys. Yo, it's BG. Yo, guys, how are you? Let me share on X and on the Telegram the stream, basically. Update, there we go. So let's see what we get. If we look at some other stuff, yeah, we've been losing again the 1 hour trend. Let's see if we can retest it. Okay, that was not good. We retested basically the 4 hour trend, oversold, already rejecting. So yeah, not that good. If we look at stuff on the daily, if we put the trends, yeah, we can see that we are still under the daily trend. And do I have, yeah, you see big stamp, cool. And on the weekly on BTC, we created a week, right? So this week probably gets filled up to like here. I don't know how I can. Well, let's just put it here. So yeah, basically that's kind of the week. If we put 0.5, we either retest 0.5 of the week, so 65k, that will be the first trigger for potentially bounce, or the full week. This is what I'm expecting. Right now, if we look at the golden ratio Fibonacci indicator, okay, on BTC, that gave us the bottom, literally. If you guys look at the history of this indicator on the weekly, whenever we approach the green or the golden, we bottom, right? Close to the bottom here, green was the bottom, golden was the bottom, and the green right now is here. So that could be a bottom, right? That could be potentially bottom area. And for me, we are not going under that. We are not going under that. So that's kind of like the floor price to me. Maybe we do retake this week, okay, 49k. If we kind of put that in the future, that will bring it like here. So maybe we can have some sort of retest here. Maybe we just like pretty much range here. We get some retest here and then we expand later, right? But that's like my max pain scenario. I don't see us going lower than here. And if we do, we go like 40k, so 70% lower, but that's it, okay? Here is where you want to buy heavy. So basically, that's the discounted area for me to buy BTC, okay? That's a 17% range. Whenever we start to get under this level, this is where you just stop DCAing. I don't see us going much lower. In the history of BTC, we never went that much lower, right? If we look on the daily, we can see that we are already retesting, okay, the lower levels of the golden, which in the past cycle when we retested that, we bounced then into the cross, and then we went a bit lower. Maybe we are actually here and not really here, okay? And then we went towards the bottom, and the bottom is, yeah, around these levels. So I don't see us going much lower than 46k. So yeah, under that, that's a 19% correction. If we go back in history, same, look, that was COVID. During COVID, we retested the second lower bands, which are here, right here, right? It's like 49k, 50k ish. That's pretty much where I'd like to see BTC bottoming. If we look at the history of the bands, guys, same thing here. Big bounce here, never really going much lower than the bottom bands. So yeah, that's kind of what I want to see here on BTC. Now let me reset chart view. Yeah, let's go back here. So now let's see. In terms of retests, we can see that in the cycles, whenever we went above this, we've been riding it, right? That was the full cycle, retesting, riding it, and when we lost that, we entered in a bear market. And when we flip that again, we enter in a bull market, holding it, right? So now my focus here will be to track this basically indicator to have some sort of like stuff like this. And if we do have some sort of retest here and we actually flip it and then this goes like that, then this is where you wanna, you know, ride it to the upside, right? On the other hand, if we reject it and we keep being compressed under that, this is where you want to beat these levels. But for me, the range is really here. We either let me remove it all because it's a bit messy. So we either just range here, being compressed, and then we expand, okay, or we reclaim that and then we go higher, and that was the bottom, okay. So in terms of longs, I don't want to catch the bottom. I want to have the good timing. So in order to have the good timing, we either range a bit here and then we dip lower, and that would be interesting prices, or we miss the bottom, or we didn't bounce as much as we wanted, and then we get real confirmation by flipping these levels. And this is why you want to go big risk with stops under these levels and targeting all-time highs and maybe even higher. That's how I want to play. This is how you want to play the leverage. If you play in spots, then spot you can just wait for the best prices and hold it long term. Like you don't really give a fuck when you are playing like spot, right? So daily high is here, 7 days rolling VWAP is here. Interesting. We have the weekly VWAP here. We also have basically the previous weekly VWAP that was here. Okay, that was basically previous weekly VWAP. Okay, so now let's put our levels. Welcome guys in the stream. Welcome guys in the stream. Sorry I didn't say hello to anyone. Yo guys, happy to see you guys. So let's see, we still have spot imbalance. Now let's look at the levels. We are retesting current weekly VWAP. Okay, here still can go a bit higher to me, and also the daily rolling VWAP. In terms of the levels, we have Sunday POC and also Saturday and Sunday POC. If we merge this, it's here. So first level of resistance right here. Let's see, let's add this thing. We can also see here on the daily that we have only 11% chances and only 12% chances to take out the daily high that is here. So that could be a nice trigger. Okay, like I mean, a setup like this actually makes sense to like this low or even like throughout this low. That's a pretty good setup. The higher we can get, the better, basically. That's a good setup. Regarding Ethereum, got a nice bounce. The 1 hour trend, we are still under it. So now what you want to see is either reclaim of this clean and we just extend higher this week, or we just keep going down toward these levels, right? Pretty much that's pretty easy, but that's how you want to play it, right? On the weekly, that's the 200 EMA, yeah, 200 EMA being retested here on Bitsy. If we hold it, why not having some push into the weekly trend? But that's probably like a bottom level. Maybe we can like fill half of the week or fill the week and then bounce and then maybe range here and then go lower. Okay, I kind of see a range here. That's outdated. And also we tested the previous all-time high, right? Zek looks like shit. So yeah, let's see. We got a squeeze. Maybe we already missed it. Here what we can see is that we retested, okay, the yearly current year value reload on the VWAP. That's the yearly VWAP. That's the yearly value reload. That's the yearly value high. This level here is basically the 2024, you guys can see here, 2024 value. Okay, that was 2025, that's 2024 value. And in this value, we can see that we are inside right now, okay, with the value area high at 79k, the VWAP, the 2024 VWAP at 65k, and the value area low at 50k. For me, that's the range, okay, that's the range. Maybe we just range here, and if we do lose that, I'm afraid that we just trade toward this level, right? But I still think that we stay within this. And above that, maybe why not going into the VWAP here? What I would love is basically the VWAP to like go back a bit lower and we get something like this, a trigger, then we retest that and then we stay in the range. Okay, that would be nice. Above that, we have these levels, okay, to retest the 90Ks. So these are nice levels. Now let's put them, so basically 79K. Let's put them on our charts. Obviously 79K here. That's the 2024 value rate high. My bad. So we get it. Bro, how you analysis everything? What do you mean, how do you analysis everything? We've got this, then we've got like 65K, where is it? Basically here, let's put it here. The 2024 value VWAP, sorry. Here we've got the previous weekly VWAP, that's important, and also the 7 days running VWAP, daily high, and also that's the weekly and daily high here, pretty much. Now if we dezoom that and we look at the orders, let's look at this. So we have the monthly VWAP that is here, okay, 71K. You know, let's restart it. Now if we look at the weekly and the monthly, on the weekly we still have pretty high chances to get the high, honestly. Well, 28% chances to get the weekly high based on distance, and 59% chance to take out the weekly high based on time. So this is not that high actually. We could even just like not take it. It's 3% far away. Maybe we don't even take it, right? We have no warnings. While on the monthly we have big warnings, and the monthly high is basically here. That's the monthly high. Up, let's put it here. This is the monthly high. Up, monthly high, right? So we have it here also. So we basically have all the levels we want, right? Up, monthly high is here. Up. Now if we drew that, the golden one is here. That gives us a nice hip here also. So why not? Now let's look again at this. Let's reload all the values. Yeah, so we have it here. These values are very interesting and very telling of like what we can expect, right, from the price action. And the weekly, yeah, basically we have the previous weekly VWAP here. well, not even. The previous weekly VWAP is more at, yeah, 70k 500. So it's more like here, right? It's more here. So that will be like a nice one. Maybe if we can have some sort of stuff like that, right? That will be even better. Hey Precious, what's the 2024 VWAP indicator name? The title says giveaway. Is it happening today? From last week's video in this stream. Not in today's stream, guys, because I will have a new sponsor. So we'll do it maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. I will pick 4 winners. Basically, if you guys go on my YouTube channel and you go to my last video, I think, how trading changed my life, you just follow the channel, like and comment the video, and I will pick 4 comments and give $50 to each of them. So yeah. But regarding the sponsor, etc., we're starting with a new sponsor tomorrow. So yeah. So basically, that's kind of what I would love to see. So yeah, here no rush, no rush. Spot is still holding here. Maybe we can have a little push higher. Fundings, yeah, going back here. I mean, we have a first resistance level here, so let's see. But maybe I'd like to push a bit higher to get like better risk reward on the shorts. That could be nice. Let me have the rolling VWAP. Yeah. Where is the rolling VWAP? That's the daily rolling VWAP. Yeah, that's good. That's kind of what I'd like to. This level will be lovely here, around this, basically. Like that will be even better. Like with stops above that, that's just like a 2 risk reward trade, which is already very great, right? So let's see. That's the first idea. But I'd like to get an entry higher. How to understand that it's gonna take daily high or daily low, weekly high? It's basically statistics. How to participate giveaway in this stream. In today's stream, for the giveaway, basically you need to follow the YouTube channel and to like and to comment in the stream, guys. That's it. We are 1k 770. Let's get to 1k 800. That will be lovely, guys. That will be lovely. Did you guys watch yesterday's performances on the Super Bowl? I was sleeping. Oh, there was Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba might be one of my crush when I was younger, of actress. It's also the crush of Novak Djokovic. The plan of Jeep. Well, I don't know. Manipulation higher will be weird because if we take out the daily high, then the chances to take the daily low will be very, 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 very low, right? That's current daily low. What things to keep remember? What do you mean? Basically here, how it works is that it will take the statistics, for example here on the daily, based on time and based on distance. You can see here 1003 data points used and 500 data points used. So it's using the last 1k data candle daily candles. And so basically based on time, so right now, okay, at this moment of the day, based on the last 1000 candles, we have basically 11% chances to take out the daily high. Okay, like the last 1000 candles at this moment, only 11% of them took the daily high. So that's very low, right? Only 1 out of 10 took it. And same based on distance, after moving 4.4% in the day, only 12% of the daily candles based on the last 500 took the daily high. So basically we have only 1 chance out of 10 to take out this high, which is very low, right? And we can see that we have 85% chances to form a new P2, so a new high or a new low, and 37% of the days move further than 4%. So we either just stay here or we have high chances to take out this low. But even that's not even a 1-to-1 risk reward. So I'd like to target maybe a bit lower, or even like here. That's a 1-to-1 risk reward. But what would be better would be to get an entry closer to the daily high with good order flow triggers. So maybe more longs chasing. We have some longs chasing. I'd like to see the CVD and the perp imbalance going a bit higher, okay, like a quick squeeze here, and we can also see the spot that is buying since they open. That's a screenshot for X. Is there an alternative of Market Monkey for beginners? I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe you guys know in the comments. I'm not sure. Anyone is trading here? Bro, is there yo Diego, you haven't seen the video I sent you on Telegram about for sure? No. Which one? On my personal Telegram or on Diego Trades contacts? I didn't saw it. Let's see how the stocks and stuff are behaving. Okay, S&P. Euro USD bouncing. Oil, okay. Silver still looks shit. Tesla rejecting. Oh damn, what a bounce on Nvidia. 13%. Netflix looking like shit. But that will be a great stock to buy in the future. Maybe around 200 EMA on the weekly. Let me put an alarm here. I told you guys. What I'd love to buy again, well, Microsoft as usual. Nice level here. From here that could be 43%. Meta is a bit high. What I'd love to buy, guys, is Google, because I think that they're gonna kill it with Gemini, with their AI. So I'd love to buy it, but we are very high. Like, even if we did to like this gap, it's a 17% discount, or even here. I'd like to buy lower. Maybe we'll get it. Coinbase took a big hit. Maybe we can get this. Like, Coinbase can be a nice trade also. Apple is very high. I think On also is a very nice one to trade. Maybe we can get some entries here. I really like On. Well, MicroStrategy, maybe we bought them here, but I'd like to see this taken. Okay, a bit lower. Could be a nice ride, MicroStrategy. Palantir also, if we go back to all-time highs, that's a 50%, but this looks a bit weak here. Maybe we get lower entries on Palantir. So yeah. And on S&P, look, we again like bounced off the 21 EMA. This is starting to look like a distribution to me. Same on the monthly, we're not able to close above 7K. Still trying to fight for the daily. What will be terrible for Bitcoin and crypto will be to have S&P like really dumping. That would be terrible. Which EMAs are these? The EMAs I use are the 21, so the red one. For example, if you look here, the 21 is the red, the 50 is the blue, and the 200 is the white. So basically, the 200 is more like higher time frame, like long-term support, whatever the time frame you use. And the 21 and the 50, 21 is like the short-term trend, and the 50 EMA is like the trend. So basically the whole trend is like 21 and 50. When we're above the 21 and 50 and the 21 EMA is above the 50, this is a bullish trend and we keep riding it. And whenever the red EMA, the 21 EMA goes under the 50 EMA, this is the bearish trend and we just ride it, okay? This works pretty effectively on most of the time frames, so that's pretty good. Now let's see if we can have some great entry around these levels. That could be nice. I'm not chasing anything here, just waiting. Again, it's Monday, so Mondays price actions are usually shit. Hello FYCX6. You're still spot on Sol. Yeah, you think S&P will dip hard soon? Probably. I'm spot on Solana, but I already a little bit DCA down. So I didn't have, unfortunately, orders under 70. I had orders down to 75. So my average entry, I started from 90. I have like 83, 84 average entry. So basically here, that's not really a stop loss. I mean, that's more like higher time frame. But I already decreased my exposition this weekend on Solana, because I feel like in the end, maybe we have some stuff like this. Some range, and then we probably like take this level, like 50 to 40, and then we run it. If you get an entry at 50 on Solana, you're lucky enough to get one at 50. That's insane. I mean, if we just go back to 200, that's like almost a 4x. If we go back to 250, so basically the 2021 all-time high, that's a 5x. And if we go back to all-time highs, that's a 6x. And we can even go higher. So this is not done. Solana chain is not done. And same for Ethereum. Ethereum, I'm a bit sad I had the short here. Didn't write it down. I feel like most of the people, they want this on Ethereum. They feel like they will get like sub 1k I feel like most of the people they expect to get entries here on Ethereum, while I don't think we will get such good entries. The maximum for me will be like around here, it's like maybe these levels. Okay, so for me that's where basically the mass wanna buy sub 1k basically, and I don't expect price to dump under that box, right? Basically. So what I think is that we maybe have some range, okay, here, maybe a pump here. Then we go vertical, guys. Then we go fucking vertical. Then we go fucking vertical. That's what I expect on Solana. Okay, on Ethereum. Sorry. And I don't think we break that. That's kind of like the big resistance for me right now. That's kind of heavy. That's like a big level, of course. But I don't see us breaking that, right? I don't really see us breaking above this level. So that's like the maximum. That's kind of how I think Ethereum can do. Can BT hit 100k within the next 6 months? Yeah, I mean, it can. Yeah, huge changes in the coming days. Okay, nice. BT pumping a little. I'm on my way to the liquor store. Yo, Spot is really buying. Spot is on it. It's mainly Coinbase. You can see here Coinbase. Is that Michael's silo, do you think? I'd like maybe a bit higher. I know it's gone down. I know. Nobody can do this like I can. Shake that bag, drive me crazy. Shake that bag, drive me crazy. Shake that bag, drive me crazy. Shake that baby, drive me crazy. Shake that baby, drive me crazy. Shake that baby, drive me crazy. I know it's about time. Look at shit started. You know that I'm a bad man. Nobody can do this like I can. Get up. I'm on my way to the liquor store. With TVE and my nigga roll. Got you a chance to be slipping though. I'll let you know if you let me know. It's 4 o'clock, but it's letting out. Man in the club, now we playing out. I'm drunk as hell, so I'm throwing it out. Put on my glove, then I knock it out. What shot do you use most for BTC? What's your fave candle? What do you mean my favorite candle? Aster looking good here. I will probably rotate to Aster. Possible. Yeah, I really like Aster on the long run, guys. I really like Aster. I bought a shitload here, so I'm up a little bit. Like I'm at 18% on Aster. Maybe we do range a bit, but I feel like from these prices, Aster is good, guys. It's good. Like that I won't say it's free money, but that's pretty good. And also on hype, we literally fill the week, and we like around 70%. Personally, I'd love to get entries here. So that'd be like the top entry for me on hype. Hopefully we can get some entries here. If we do, I will buy a lot. I just bought some here, but if we do that, I will really buy heavy. And yeah, till then, just waiting, guys. Till then, just waiting. I'm in short candle hours. They are 15, 30 minutes, 30 hours for my triggers. And then I really look at the daily, weekly for my higher time frame conferences. I want to have a bias on the higher time frame, you know. That's very important to me, to like understand whether the market is bearish, bullish on the higher time frame or like medium time frame. That's very important to me. BTC, thank you Tyson Bag. BTC long at 60k 500. Well, around maybe a bit lower. I feel like the range I'd like to play is like around the 2024 VWAP, so 65k. That'd be nice. We have this big demand here. And we can also see here on the weekly, basically, that we have a large week. Okay, we basically have a 13% week that we probably feel. Okay, where was it? 10 October? Yeah, 10 October here. We had a big week. We filled it. Took like 3 weeks to fill it. Same here, big week. We filled it. This week, we fully filled it. Also, we filled half of the week and then we bounce. Most of the weeks, we fill at least half of the week. So half of the week will be like 65k, so that will be a great level here. 65k. I'm trying to find a good entry. While around these levels above the daily, weekly high, daily high can be a nice entry. Sorry, I don't have battery on my Mac. Need to plug it. By the way, guys, I have some questions. Are you guys using AI to like code stuff? For example, for trading, is anyone using AI to code, I don't know, algos or strategy, and then to backtest them on TradingView? Are you guys doing that? And also, for example, to, I don't know, vibe like an app. So for example, I don't know, a video game or like a crypto project, or vibe coding a software, something like this. Which AI would you guys recommend? I know ChatGPT is not the best. Is it better to use Gemini, or to use Claude, or to use Manus, to use whatever? And also, is it fine to do it on the website and on the app? So for example, on Gemini or on Claude, or do I have to go on like anti-gravity or like complexity? I think it's the name. I don't remember. Gemini all the way. What's your 5? Well, ChatGPT for daily use, I mean, if you have questions and stuff. Gemini is good also. Basically, Manus is nice because it uses Gemini. But I feel like for coding, most of the people say Claude was the best for trading coding. But for example, to build an app, I don't know. I want to build a poker app. So I want to build an app. Let's say I want to build a crypto app where people can play poker. They deposit crypto on the Solana wallet or whatever, and they can play poker against each other. An app like that. First question for those who are know the field. I'm not trying to do that, but it's just to get an idea. Is it better? Is it possible to vibe code it from A to Z by yourself? You have like a big V0, like a big mockup. You basically have like the beta of your program, and then you ask for developers and stuff to like send it to the next level. But first, you already were able to get a very big idea of what you did. Claude is the best for building. Codex from GPT is also good. Okay. Claude inside. Oh, so you guys recommend to install Cursor or Anti-Gravity to use it? Or is it possible to do it just inside the AI? I mean, I just like download Claude and I just go on the website or like on the software. What would you guys recommend? Claude is the best for vibe coding. Claude is the best for building. Claude, what you... the AI I was using the most, guys, was Manus. I don't know if you guys know it. Manus. But it was maybe just user-friendly. Maybe Claude is better. You can build everything. There is no limit. Nice. So on Claude, basically. Okay. We'll try Claude. And also, I'm not very good at that, but... what's the difference between, you know, when you go to Claude, you have Claude to ask like whatever request for daily use. You have the Claude assistant that can basically take control of your computer and like do your mails or do Excels or whatever. And then you have Claude Code. Can you explain like which one will be, for example, if you want to build, for example, a trading software, or you want to build like a crypto project, what's the best to use? Do you like basically go through all of them? I think Cursor Pro IDEO is the best tool if you can integrate Claude Code inside of it, which... Okay, best I would say Firebase Studio for creating web applications. Okay, thanks guys. I will take a look at all of this after the stream. And also, what about this weekend I met someone. His name is David. Maybe you guys follow him. He's making crypto algorithms and stuff. He has a YouTube channel. And he's doing all that on Claude, okay? And I was thinking maybe we can do some vibe coding together. What are you trying to cook, Diego? I won't tell you guys. I will code something huge. I will code. I'm trying to build something huge, guys. You guys will see. It can either be a flop or be like something huge that... Well, we'll see. I don't want to tease. But it will be something insane. It doesn't exist, and I feel like all of you guys will love to use it. All of you guys will love to use it. I think, because personally, I'd be using it every single day. We will support it. Thank you guys. Are you planning to create your own project? Yeah, I'm starting to try building something. I feel like it's the bear market. And the market can be boring, so it's the moment to build stuff. I have this idea from a year, and the more I wait, the more I feel like this is a good idea. And sometimes I speak to people, and I kind of like not tease them, but I ask them if you could do that, would you like it? And they are all, yeah, like that's a banger. It doesn't exist, so we'll have to try to do my best for that. Let's see, guys. Like a bot, bro? No, it's not a bot. It's not. It's trading stuff, trading crypto stuff, but it's not a bot. So now let's see, what are we seeing here? Rejecting the current daily and weekly VWAP. Okay. We've had some longs chasing, but like not crazy amount of longs. Still spot imbalance. Spot was buying here, but I mean the perp also. Like if we really look here, perp also chase. Rejecting 7 days rolling view up and the daily rolling view up, but S&P is bouncing though. Let's look at the TPOs. We have the value area high of last week. Single print here, 4 high here. Well, yeah, on the 30 minute, this doesn't look that good. This doesn't look that good. On the 1 minute rejecting. On the 1 hour, it's trying to flip. Well, we still have 40 minutes, guys, before the 1 hour candle close. So we still have plenty of time. And on the 4 hour, this still looks like shit. So let's see if this dumps. How long this stream will be going on, I don't know, but maybe like a 1 hour 30 stream, depending on what we see. As long as we can keep talking, that's good, guys. I mean, I'm in front of my computer. It's just that today I will have to make a bunch of content for Instagram because it's the Monday that I record my Instagram content. By the way, there is a vlog that will be released Wednesday on the YouTube channel. I hope you guys will enjoy it. And I'm also posting tonight a market update. So let me know. I'm posting an update on YouTube tonight. What do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see, like, I don't know, like, are we entering in a bear market? Something like that. And I make all the levels or the plans. Or like my top 5 coins for 2026. Or like some stuff like, let me know. That will be like a crypto analysis. Not low time frame, it would be higher time frame. Really to make a plan. Nice stream, bro. Thank you. Hello, fighter. Stream for another 1 hour. Maybe. I don't know. It's just that I will have to do some stuff after. It's already 4:30. Shit. Yo, Ace Deb. Both, haha. Yeah, we can do. Well, I mean, I can do both, but the one tonight, I will have to choose either like higher time frame analysis. Are we entering in a bear market, or is this fake out or bear market for Bitcoin, some stuff like that? And we make the plans, or basically the top 5 cryptos for 2026 and the best entries. Something like this. I will do both, but which one do you want for tonight? And if you guys also want some levels for the analysis, like which crypto do you want for levels? Well, we are still 70 or 80 in average after such a big dump. That's lovely. I can't imagine when the market will go like crazy and we'll go to all-time highs and we'll have like maybe a new alt season. How much we can be doing the stream if we keep grinding together. Like, what will be insane will be like 200 viewers average. That would be insane. Even like, well, 1K, that would be a dream. Still far away from that, but I feel like we can make it. How time frame analysis then, and later top 5 cryptos. Okay, well, we'll do that. Nice dump. Risk free on this short, guys. Risk free on this short. Of course, I shared it in the VIP Telegram. As all my trades, we managed pretty well the dump. We had the first long that we closed entry, 3 longs that we closed entry. The swings were just accumulating, and the spot we started from 70 down to 60, so got filled pretty much with like a 66, 67 average entry. Closed some, so now back to day trading. I feel like I will focus on just day trading and trying to get the best spot entries, and in the meantime, maybe not a lot of swing longs, but more like day trades like today. See, like this is a day trade, we took it, now we're risk free. It either goes to profits or it goes to entry and we didn't lost any money. I feel like I will focus on that, trying to get at least 1 trade per day, because the market is bad, but I want to show to you guys that even if the market looks like shit, we can still make money. Because if you are a good trader, the market can go up, can go down, BTC can be at 200k or BTC can be at 25k. I will still be able to trade the market. Okay, I will still be able to trade the market, and that's what's important when you trade, is that you can trade whatever the market gives you, right? Yo, hi. What bro, what risk-free means? Basically, risk-free means that you don't have more risk. So if you are in a trade, you just trade your stop loss at entry. So if this goes back to your entry, you're out of the trade. And if it goes much higher, basically you went out of the trade, so you're risk-free. And if it goes lower on the short, I will just make money. Best idea, not gonna lie. Thanks for sharing the conference to take that short, very helpful. You're welcome. You took it, Mehdi. A pro trader doesn't get afraid of the market's mood. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And even if the market looks like shit, but we have volatility, that's even better. Because the more volatility we have, the more opportunities we can get. For a day trader again, right? If you do spot and swings, then you don't really want a lot of volatility. So now let's see, that was pretty clean. I mean, cool. Let's fucking go. Let's print. Day trade seems much better. Yeah. Day trading is the best. Again, like what I love with day trading is that if one day I don't have a trade, that's fine, I will wait, okay? If you have a clean strategy and you just know what are the best setups to take, you wait for the good setups, you take them, and that's fine. And if one day you don't have anything, you just wait for another setup. So yeah. By the way, guys, we are still taking people inside the VIP Discord, the VIP Telegram, which is totally free. You guys have the link in the description of the free Telegram, okay? Just to show it, so you guys can. Oh shit, what's that? So you guys can see how it looks like. So basically, that's the public Telegram, right? Where I share everything, and inside the VIP Telegram, you get all my trades. For example, here I shorted BTC at the highs. I gave it while we were in the stream, explaining why. And then we are risk-free. You guys can see that the trade is running. We have also analysis. So you guys can see here that I'm posting a lot of analysis here. We also have a trading course, okay? And we also have the VIP chat where we can talk with everyone. Okay, everyone is sharing their setups and stuff, so that's pretty cool. And of course, we have the wins channel, okay? We have the wins channel where everyone is sharing their wins. We already have 92 members, so that's pretty cool. If you guys want to join, the link of the Telegram is in the description. You can get access to this Telegram. It's in the description of the stream, guys. You click here on the pin message and you have all the instructions. You click on Diego Trades contact here and you send me go, and we will send you the instructions to join the Discord. Basically, it's free, guys, to join the Telegram, sorry. All you have to do is to register, to create an account on our partner exchange and to deposit and trade there. That's it. I will give you all my trades, all my analysis, all my knowledge, and it's free. All you have to do is to trade with me on my partner exchange, and that's it. You don't need to pay a monthly subscription or even a yearly subscription and stuff. That's free. I sent you a message, go, but I didn't get access yet. Oh shit, will it answer you? Send me again a message, brother. Send me again a message. Trying to see. Send me a new message, brother. No, it's not only on ZoomX. We have a new partner. It's Bitchinix, guys. If you guys want to join. Both non-KYC. You can trade everywhere in the world on both. We have all the countries available. So it's either Bitchinix or ZoomX. Non-KYC, good liquidity. We give you guys cash back on your fees also. So all you have to do is to create an account there. Before creating an account, send me a message so I can send you guys the link to register. And then you just deposit, send the UID, and we add you to the group and you get access to everything. to my analysis every day, to all my trades. I'm taking a trade almost every day, to a full trading course. I posted hours of videos, okay, 10 chapters about my system, risk management, psychology, probabilities, VWAPs, market profile, all this stuff. You guys get access to it, so that's pretty cool. You're drawing winners using Nightbot. Is that YouTube and currently running on the stream? How does it really find live participant? Yeah, brother, no worries. It's a bot that get access to my channel and is connected to my account. So like, if you follow the stream, liked and commented, you will be able to get the giveaway. I messaged you for the BitchNix link. Cool. Because I feel like some people didn't want it to trade on ZoomX, so we tried to find a new partner, non-KYC, only for the VIP Telegram, and BitchNix is nice. So again, if you already sent a message, guys, and you didn't want it to use ZoomX, we have a new partner, BitchNix, right now, non-KYC also. So if you guys want to get access to the group, just hit me up again. In the Telegram, send me go. And also I was thinking to do something, because I know some whales that are followers, also friends, and we're like, what about creating like a whales group with people that trade with more than 100k, like 6 digits more or less. Create a Telegram group where we share our setups, we share what we think, etc., because those people may not most of the time have the good ideas and have the good information. So I was thinking about that. Like, is there anyone in the chat that is trading with more than 100k and that would be interested in something like this, like a whales group with no fees again? Like that's not a subscription. Short Bitsy now? Yeah, I'm short from basically 69k 900, brother. I shorted there, and now I have my stop loss entry. Big Fish Telegram, exactly. I was in one in 2023, but people stopped talking there and I just left it. But that was great. This looks like it wants a bit lower. Let's get it. By the way, guys, I'm starting a 50k to 500k challenge on the stream. Maybe tomorrow, I will have to see. I feel like it's the good moment to trade the volatility. Well, maybe not 50k to 500k, because I will have to take a lot of risk. That's not a copy trading, that's just me trading in live, right? No copy trading, no bullshit. Just me trading, and you guys watching me trading, and you can follow my trade, etc. Sure, I'm in. Cool. Well, if you guys are interested for that, send me a message in the Telegram. The link of the Telegram is in the description, guys, of the public Telegram. You go on pin message here on Diego Trades contact, you send me go, and if it's for the whales group, if you have more than 100k capital, send me, I'm a whale, it's for the whale group, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so let me know. And again, I don't want liars, because we will ask you guys screenshot from your volume, and we will see if you're a liar or no. So streaming for an hour and almost 70 people are watching. You're doing great, thank you. And I just shared it one time on X. I will share it again for the last 30 minutes for the giveaway, and that's good. But yeah, thanks a lot for the support, guys. We are building a lovely community. You guys are almost here every single stream, so that's lovely. I will feel stupid if there was only 5 people. And not even. I will be happy to have 5 people watching me and supporting me. By the way, I'm soon receiving a new computer again, because the computer I bought 3 months ago, I don't know why it's dead. That was a shit computer. So I bought a new one, new lights, new camera for prompt and stuff. Diego, I think you're friend with my friend Arsen. Probably. I know one Arsen and there's not a lot of them, so. Session statistics are bullish. Yeah, but the daily statistics are not bullish, brother. Low chances, we have low percentage chances to take out the session low, but we have even lower chances to take out the daily high. Session low is here. So now let's see, maybe we just stay in between that. I mean, look, we are, on the daily, we have 37% chances to move further than 4.4%. So maybe today we just like stay here. That's possible also. We still have time for the 1 hour close. Maybe they will scam it up. Look, they're already trying to bounce it. Love the music. Music de Gomiscu. Start the giveaway, let's get enter in it. No, I will start the giveaway 15 minutes before going, brother. So no. Up. Let me share that on an X so we get some more people joining. Ah, nice. Nice. So, let's see how it goes. Ethereum holding. Solana also. Hype could be a long soon maybe. But depends on BT. We got nice bounce from the lows, huh? That was crazy. Also, little coin I really like, guys. It's basically this one. C98. Huge potential on the upside. Like this can give you like a 2, 3, 4, 5x in my opinion. Funding's rate across the market. Wow, this shit is already bouncing. Maybe we'll get stopped entry. They are trying to push into the 1 hour. Maybe we just spend more time here and we reject later. Let's see. When BC back to 90k. Will take time, huh? It will take time, I think. Move slowly. So now let's see, guys. By the way, I'm gonna start the giveaway. So in order to participate to the giveaway, guys, you just need to follow the YouTube channel and to comment, right? So, sorry, up. Up, play. Up, so you guys can see it here. There we go. Yeah, basically you guys just need to comment, to follow the channel, and to like the stream, and you will be in the giveaway. So let's see who wins today. It's giveaway time, guys. Yeah. Dump. Yeah, more dump. Better dump. Well, that's fine. That's a day trade. As long as we don't lose money on that. I mean, I'm risk free. So if this goes back to entry, that's fine. Maybe we do get, I mean, could be even tomorrow. Range here. And tomorrow we get a trigger from here. And that will be even better. To target here, the Monday low, and even here. Like, that's a possibility. That will give us a nice trigger. That will be like 5% dump, even like a 10% dump. That will be lovely. I mean, the range is pretty big. Current range is pretty big, so we can get some good opportunities to trade. By the way, guys, remember to enter in the giveaway. You guys have to like the channel. Possible of winning for me? Yeah, everyone can win, guys. Basically, to enter the giveaway, you guys have to comment, you guys have to follow the channel, and you guys have to like. Can we long BTC now? I feel like it's a bit late to long, brother. It's a bit late. I mean, I wouldn't long here. I would long from here, or like a reclaim of that and later. But for now, as long as we're under here, I don't wanna chase longs, right? So I'm in this, and now I'm risk free. Okay, stops entry basically here. We have the stops entry, guys. Wish me good luck. Good luck, guys. maybe the market is giving you guys more another opportunity to get entry. Personally, I will not add, as I called the kind of the local high right now. I just trade my stops entry and I'm fine. But maybe what could be even better will be to get stop entry today, to range around 70Ks, and then to maybe have the sweep of 71, 72 tomorrow for a better short towards 65Ks. I feel like the upside is a bit capped here after such a bounce. I feel like the market needs to range a little bit. So maybe the maximum we can go is like 75, 76. That will be a nice swing short. Like from these levels. From these levels we could get like, yeah, a nice like 12-15% swing short. That will be great. So again guys, the giveaway is running. So all you need to do to participate to the giveaway is to comment the stream, to like the stream, and of course to follow the YouTube channel. We are almost 1K800, so let's get to it. Maybe we can get to 2K by the end of the month. That would be lovely. Well, getting 200 followers will be hard, even more because nobody is interested in the crypto market right now. Kinda. Good luck. 2K soon. Yeah, that will be lovely. That will be a nice milestone. Then the next one 5K, and after that we go for 10K, guys. 10K will be insane. I don't know when we can reach that. I don't have any timeline for that. I mean, could be by the end of the year, maybe in 2 years. I don't know how far, because YouTube is really hard to grow. For example, same on X. It took me 2 years to get to 5K followers. And then during 2024, I had a big pump of 10K followers to 20K. And now I'm really stuck at 26, 27K. I don't know why. Even though I'm making like millions of views every week, I don't know why it's so hard to gain followers on X. Maybe it's because I'm short and a bit bearish since October, which was the good thing to do, right? But most of the people, they want to follow people that gives like bullish targets and stuff. But there's no way I start to shitpost and give you guys like crazy targets, because I don't even think about it. I mean, yeah, Ethereum can go to 5-6K, Bitcoin can and will probably go to 150K, 200K in the next years. But saying this right now, you will have people just going leverage and blowing their accounts, because most of the people here, they do leverage trading. They don't just buy crypto like you buy stocks, right? That's the problem. The market tends to go up. And why most of the people doesn't make money is because they try to long with leverage. So if the market dumps 5%, 10%, 20%, they will lose all their money. While people investing, they would be in a drawdown for like a short or a bigger period of time. But in the end, the market will reverse and go higher, like it does all the time. I mean, it's like that. The market goes up by like naturally. I mean, that's the essence of the market, to go up. So you can have dips, but what I love to do on assets that I feel like they tend to go up on the long run, for example, S&P or gold or even Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the best performing asset in this decade, in the last decade. So you still want to buy it, right? You need to be probably with 200 targets, 200 followers on XLMO. Yeah, kinda. But what I want to say is that, for example, BTC, I'm very bullish on BTC on the long run. So basically, let's say the all-time high is 120K. If we are at 60K, if we do a 2x and go back, if we go back to all-time high, that's a 2x. So basically, I'm just buying an asset at a 50% discount. And I'm buying something that's basically, it's like buying $1 for 50 cents, right? If we go at 40K and it goes back to 120K, it would be a 3x. So that's like buying $1 for like 33 cents. That's how you have to see it. Draw in 2 minutes, guys. Draw in 2 minutes. If you guys want to join the giveaway, follow the channel, comment, and put a like, and I will do the giveaway. One of you guys will win $100. All the participants, and here we have 55 entries already, so that's good. Maybe we can get to 60. Do you know about the Ghost Bitcoin market at the Courage Exchange? No, what is that? Hello for games. How many entries so far? What do you mean how many entries? Ah yes, 56. Show. What do you mean show? And yeah, what is the Korean exchange stuff? Yeah, what's the question for a game? Let me know. What's your question? People want only shit posts. That's the reality that running on. Yeah, exactly. That's a bit sad. It's same as on Instagram. People not giving value but only showing off lifestyle, Lamborghinis, watches. I mean, I also do that a little bit, but I don't like base my content on this. Oh shit, we took a goal. Isn't it bearish to go to 65k again? All that? Well, not necessarily bearish, because if you look at the range here on the yearly VWAP, 2024 value, we are right now stuck between a yearly value very low and the yearly VWAP of 2024. So we still can go lower to like 65k, and that wouldn't be bearish. That would just be a retest of the range lows or like the mid range. How is the trade going? Are you on? Yeah, I took the short and I'm now risk-free. So basically, risk-free, for those who don't know, is placing the stops break-even. For those who don't know what is placing the stops break-even, is basically placing the stops at the entry. So if the price goes back to my entry, I will not lose money. So now let's do the giveaway. If I win, I will use the fund to trade live when you're streaming next day following your ideas. Good, Cyber. So let's do the giveaway. Nice rejection for now from the highs. The 1 hour is still staying like this. So the trade is still valid. Trade is still valid, guys. So that's good. So yeah, now let's see. Up. And another sunrise will meet. So let's do the giveaway. 61 entry. So let's do that. $100 for one of you guys that will be sent to your account, okay, to the partner. So let's do that, guys. The winner just has to send me a message and he will receive the money on his account, right? So let's do it. Let's choose the winner. Good luck, guys. 61 entries, and the winner today is Emma Queenie. Congratulations, Emma Queenie. If you are here, you are the winner of today's $100 that will be sent to your trading account so you can trade with it. Giving you some time to answer. Hopefully you can be here. If you are not here, we will take it to someone, give it to someone else. Of course I'm here. Wow, congratulations. So send me a message on X or in Telegram, okay? The best would be to send me a message on X. And congratulations. Yeah, Emma, do you want to take it? We can do that, that can be funny. Do you want to take it or double it and give it to the next person? My account name is Impulse on Telegram. Nice. But send me a message. Send me a message on X. You have my X probably, so just send me a message on X. That's easier. That's easier. Cool. Take it. That's fine. I would have taken it also, no worries. So, got it. Emma, double it and give it to me, we split later. Well, if she gives to someone, she cannot choose. It has to be random, it has to be a giveaway still. So let's see. The 1 hour is closing in a few minutes, so let's wait like 4 minutes to see. So guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Today's stream was cool. We did 1 hour 30 of stream. It was Monday, a bit boring. S&P is pumping, took the highs, feeling this. Well, S&P is just going up, guys, so no need to try to short it. I'm risk-free on that short that I took with the VIP. Again, I will see you guys tomorrow for another stream. As usual, we are streaming every single day. There is the link in the description to join the public Telegram. For example, yesterday I did a big update, right? Look at this. I posted a big update, okay, like I do every Sundays. So basically that's the update. You guys can see I'm showing all my levels, what I think, etc. for the week with my triggers and stuff. That's basically what we had kind of today. Maybe we get a bit higher later today. So let's see. And if you guys want to get access to more stuff, to my calls basically every single days. For example, here along Ethereum at the lows at 1,800. Same as BTC, we caught the nice bounce at the lows, okay. Ethereum caught the bottom, you guys can see that was the trade, that was risk, etc. I'm sharing all the trades. You guys can also see that the members are printing. I mean, everyone is making a shit ton of money in the group. There is also a chat. There is also all my analysis every day. Whenever I have an idea, I post it. I share my analysis and tool with you guys. There is the VIP chat also. It's totally free to join. You just have to join the public Telegram in the comments. And you click on the pin message. You send me go. You just have to trade on a partner exchange, which is ZoomX or Bitunix. Okay. It's totally free. You just have to create an account and trade there. We only had ZoomX in the past. We just added Bitunix today. So if you guys want to try it, it's in the Telegram. Just send me a message and we will add you in the group. So thanks a lot for the stream again today. We had like 70, 80 viewers in average. So see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. That was Diego and C.